This has been long overdue for an upgrade. I'm going to share with you today 9 simple reasons that the Osmo Action camera trumps the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Number 1, it's made by DJI. And because DJI does a lot more compared to GoPro, because let's face it, that's all they make. The GoPro, the 360 camera, I don't even know if they make a gimbal anymore. Whereas DJI, look at all the products that they make and services and software that they produce. Number 2, and very important, is audio capacity. With the DJI Osmo Action camera, all you need to do is get a dongle, so to speak, which mostly everyone has, a USB to a microphone 3.5mm dongle, and that's it. You can have great external audio. GoPro Hero 7 Black, well, you need a dongle that costs $50 extra and takes up a lot more space. It's big and bulky. Number 3, and we can't turn away from it, is the front facing screen. 1.4 inch front facing screen is absolutely phenomenal, and it's good enough just to make sure that you're in frame and you don't miss that shot. And it has a wide view and a narrow view, which is pretty awesome. Number 4 is the stabilization. The reason I fell in love with the GoPro Hero 7 Black is because of that wonderful smooth buttery stabilization. Well, guess what? The Y stabilization, which is this one here, the GoPro Hero 7 Black kind of struggles with, and that's where the Osmo really picks up. It's smooth in every single axis. Now, there's a trade-off, and we're going to talk about the negatives. Number 5, not big of a deal to me. Osmo Action has a 1300 milliampere battery versus the GoPro Hero 7 has a 1220 milliampere battery. Not much of a difference, but hey, if I can squeeze a little more juice out of it, I'll take it. Number 6, another small reason, the Osmo Action camera has a little better heat resistance compared to the Hero 7 Black. And hey, the more you can resist heat, the better it is for me, even if it's just a little bit. Number 7 is waterproofing. The Osmo Action camera can go just a little bit deeper than the Hero 7 Black. How much? 1 meter to be precise. Hero 7 Black goes 10 meters. Osmo Action goes 11. Number 8 is the little things that I'm going to read to you that I nitpick about because I just wrote them down. But guess what? The little things add up. The main screen is 0.25 inches bigger than the GoPro 7. Also, it has the exact same shooting capabilities as the GoPro 7, like slow motion, hyperlapse, voice command, all this fun stuff. But it has an additional HDR mode available at 4K 30 frames a second, which the GoPro doesn't have. The mount that comes with the Osmo Action camera is a click removable feature, which is really cool. A little feature, but I'll take it. The case that houses the Osmo Action camera like this does not block the microphones. Finally, number 9, which is the biggest deal, the Osmo Action camera is $349 and the GoPro is $399. Well, guess what? If you go on Amazon, you can get the Hero 7 Black for $349 as well. So let's just say that they're both the same price, and for both the same price, it's kind of a no-brainer. Number 10, I'm going to list the cons that the Osmo Action has compared to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro Hero 7 Black has digital zoom. The Osmo Action camera, no zoom. Now, how good is digital zoom? Not great. You're probably not going to use it ever or much, although the 7 has a pretty decent digital zoom. Not a little advantage that the GoPro 7 has over the Osmo Action is that it records for about 8 minutes roughly, give or take, before it starts a new clip. The Osmo Action roughly gives you 5 minutes, give or take, before it starts a new clip. Remember I was telling you about the rock steady stabilization? That's much better than the GoPro 7. Well, that comes at a price. That comes at a 22% crop factor. That's what it takes to give you that ultra smooth rock steady footage. It takes a massive crop factor compared to the Hero 7, which is only 10% crop factor. And last but not least, and this is something DJI has kind of been known for, their image tends to be a little contrasty sometimes, and as a result, one can argue that the GoPro Hero 7 Black actually has a little better image quality because it's just a little less contrasty. If you own a Hero 7 Black, are you selling it? Are you keeping it? What's your plans and why? Are you impressed by the Osmo Action camera? Did you wish you never purchased a GoPro Hero 7? Are you going to own both? What are you going to do? As soon as I hit 1,800 patrons, every month I'll be giving away one of those drones. It's been a while. I've been preaching this. I haven't hit 1,800 patrons, but I will get there slowly but surely with your support. And become a patron because I'm going to be giving away those t-shirts and doing the drawings in my next video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that fun stuff, and I will catch you as soon as I can.